Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Today's video is going to be a pretty Halloween eye look. But before I create this look, I want to leave you with a little bit of inspiration just in case you only make it this far in the video. Compromise. Compromise. What have you compromised that is holding you back now? Have you learned to compromise in the way that it will make you feel good about what you compromise about? Sometimes it's just the little things that hold us so high. We have to be right all the time. It is our way or no way. And sometimes compromising with the next person on some things without dimming your soul, your light, works very good. Agreeing to disagree. They might have something to say. Listen to it because you want somebody to listen to you. Compromise. Let me know in the comments, what have you compromised on, or are you going to try to compromise a little bit better without sacrificing your soul? Now we start and let's create a beautiful Halloween look. I am using a Morphe brush and I am going to use Pretty Chic by Colored Rain. This is Pretty Chic by Colored Rain. These are the colors in there. They are cute. I want to use this pink right here, this pink right here, and this shimmer right here. That is what I'm going for. Let's hope I get that. Let's see if I can stay on course. I will start with the little baby pink first. This is so cute by Colored Rain. As a mother of 3 men, they were, boys, now they're all grown men. During Halloween time, when they were little, you had to go out and get costumes. You couldn't wear the same costume every year. Every other year, but not every year, because I saved the costumes. And I mean, trick-or-treating was a big thing. And as the only woman in the house, I had to go with them trick-or-treating. And if Dad was home on time, we would go out as a family, Dad, me, and the boys, and we would go out all over, and they loved that. They loved it. And with boys and costume, it's stuff like Spider-Man, Batman, male stuff. And I had to always look for the pretty stuff, you know what I mean? Because I'm the only girl in the house. I remember one year my husband, he didn't really dress, he just went with us. So, protection, making sure we're safe while we trick or treat. And it's just in the neighborhood, but it's nice, that all of us were able to do it. And sometimes the kids would want to go outside the neighborhood. I went with them a couple times, but after that, I was like, Dad will go with you out of the complex. I'm going into this pink right here, hot pink, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner. So that one year, my husband had the blind referee. It came with a referee shirt, and then it came with a walking stick and a whistle to hang around his neck. And that year, I dressed up as a spider web. Very cute costume. It was so pretty. It was sheer, it was colorful, it had like a big spider imprint in there, but it was really beautiful. It wasn't scary, it was very, very pretty. Like I said, it's all boys, so I had to do something, pretty for me. And we went out and my husband got so many compliments on the referee costume. And he usually never dressed, but that year I was like, you gotta wear something. I mean, if you're going out with us, you know, wear something. And it was really nice. It was really fun. Everywhere we go, of course, people trying to figure out what I was, you know, because it was just a cover up. But it was very pretty. But he got compliments, and that was really nice. I like that. Okay, this is what we're looking like so far. I don't know what color this shimmer is. Very pretty when you think into it. I haven't swatched it yet. I'm just passing my hand in it. So I want to see which one is the prettiest. Okay, so I just swatched the two shimmers. I'm going to go with this one. So the white one that has this pretty, love it. This is so pretty. Oh my Lord. So, you know, that is why we do that here. And we went out many other years with them, with the boys. I stayed home to give out the candy, and I mean, it was nice to see all the costumes, but when the princesses and the pretty costumes with the tutu and stuff came by, oh, I love that. So this is why I am creating this little beautiful Halloween look for those little days where all the beautiful princesses showed up at my doorstep to collect their candy for Halloween. But this is why I am creating this pretty Halloween look for all the princesses that are going out trick-or-treating with their beautiful, beautiful costume. Keep wearing them, keep dreaming that you're a princess, because you are. I remember when I always wanted to be a princess as a kid. We didn't have much, but I still wanted to be a princess. I am back with the pretty Halloween look. Pretty in pink for Halloween. I created this little cute tutu outfit around my shoulders. Usually, you know, you wear tutu and the kids show up and they're so cute, and it's like trick or treat and all of that good stuff. So this is my pretty Halloween look for all the people who like to be beautiful and pretty and colorful during Halloween. This one is for you. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.